Now we will see how to use complex numbers in Python and handle basic arithmetic operations with them. Let's see how to write the complex number in Python. Let's write another complex number. So this is how we can write complex numbers in Python. Let's print out these complex numbers. Let's perform some basic arithmetic operations with these complex numbers. First, we have the addition operation. So, make sum of complex numbers. We have already defined two complex numbers, and now we will add these two complex numbers. So it has added the real numbers, and the same has been happened for the imaginary part. Lastly, we find the conjugate of complex number. We have already defined the complex numbers, so we will just take one complex number here. So define the variable conjugate complex, and we will use complex number 1 and use the method conjugate. Let's print out both the numbers. And the conjugate of this complex number. So this conjugate method returns the conjugate of complex number. The next important data type used in Python is Boolean type. Boolean types are very simple. They are represented as bool. In Python, they can have only two values, that is true or false. So booleans are important when we are writing a code and we want to make some decision. So let's try some examples of using this data type. First, we can assign the boolean values to some variable like is name true, is name it's false. So when the variable is name, we have set its value to true, and when the variable is name 1, we have set its value to false. So whenever we will use these variables, their values will be printed out according to this assigned boolean type. We can perform logical operations on this by using this boolean types. Let's start with the AND operation. We have two variables, is name and is name1. We will apply first AND operation. So we will create a variable and result and write name this AND operation representation and is name 1. So what AND operations do? If is name and is name 1 both are true, then it will return it will give an output of true. Otherwise, if one of the variable is false, then it will give an output of false. So let's see. So as is name 1 was false, so the output is false. So let's see if both are true. We set its value to true and we check its variable 2 and let's see the result. So if both are true, then the result is true. The next operation is OR. Is name and OR is name 1. So what will be the output? Or result. So if any one of the variable is true, then the output will be true. Next we will try NOT operation. So define the variable and apply NOT operation to any one variable. What it will do? It will negate the output. Like if the value was initially set to true, it will give an output of false. So this is all about the logical operations by using Boolean data type.